Heads, they are meant to be to replace the ones you use, and there is quite a bunch of them in this set, and they, yeah, definitely kind of fulfill the same purpose as the normal ones, except that you can save quite a bit of money on these here, because it's pretty much a lot cheaper if you buy them from a different brand than the original ones, and they are made quite solidly here. As you can see here, they even come with like some protection caps, and also the brush itself is pretty stable. There's no hairs falling off or anything like that. So yeah, I think this might be a good option. Always looking for new no-name brands for these to save some money, and I like to pick them up and check what they are offering. So I would share these as well. So yeah, this is what you can expect of them. And all I can say, metal ring, everything is solid made. I think it's fine. So my name is Badger. I'm out for today. I will see you in the next one, and take care. Bye, you guys.